Chris off to pay respects. Back in 2005, the channel PBS Kids Sprout was unleashed onto TV screens for all the youngins looking for quality content. In 2017, it was rebranded to Universal Kids, a home that celebrated the art of being a kid and opened minds to spark creativity. DreamWorks Animation had a pretty big presence here, along with a bunch of miscellaneous acquired shows throughout the years. But as time went on, viewership continued to see a rapid decline. Universal Kids got nowhere near the same recognition as the big boys like Nick and Cartoon Network. Eventually, enough was enough. NBC Universal decided there was no reason to keep the channel going, so on March 6th, 2025, the plug was finally pulled. Universal Kids is no longer in service. This is the final message for viewers, with zero explanation on the channel for people who haven't been following the news. Also, heading to the website now redirects you to the Universal Kids Resort instead. Rest in peace. Of course, NBC Universal made it clear that these shows will live on in other places. They mentioned their streaming service Peacock because of course they did. Cable's dying, streaming's thriving, you know how these things go. But seriously, who even has Peacock? Either way, it's sad to say goodbye to this. What do you think about the end of Universal Kids? Did you grow up with the channel? Let's talk in the comments. But anyway, that's all for this video. Subscribe for more awesome cartoon videos, give a thumbs up, and comment below to let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.